The interior of my Ford Fiesta is filthy, so it's a good job that I've got a Makita cordless vacuum cleaner to hand. Now, the interesting thing is, it's pretty much an industrial unit. You've got all these attachments, so depending on what you need, I think I'll probably try it without it first, and then we'll see how effective it is. You can see that's pretty good. And then, just to get in the nooks and crannies, I'll attach this. It's very effective. I can see why airliners like to use these. And then to empty it, it's simply a matter of twisting that and then throwing all that rubbish away, like that. Very simple. I like my Makita vacuum cleaner.